Korean cuisine has many soup dishes in daily meal choice. The most of them have meat, vegetables, and other specialty ingredient depending on each region in Korean landscapes. There are a variety of Korean soups in each region, which Korean people call guk or tang, variations of component, cooking methods, and history behind the variations. The most significant method of serving Korean soups is that it is served with steamed rice. Many international people already experienced how to eat Korean gamjatang. Soup's water is well soaked with starch and rice is good tasteful experience. Korean soups are very often served with steamed rice, so is called gukbap, which means soup with rice. In ancient years, each region in Korean peninsula had developed their own specialty ingredient to make foods. Gukbap is various forms, so there are many gukbap representative to the regions. It has cultural stories behind its developmental history, so as this book is published to explain it. The common denominator of Korean gukbap is that it is symbolic of Jung cultures. In ancient times, many people had to work diligently, and it is national respect to the people's workload. Sul Lungtang, for example, king's respect for peasants who worked hard. This is continued when monarchy resigned in Korea. In reconstructive years after Korean War, it is well known that many restaurant owners donated free lunch for people who had lost their dad and mom. It is Jung cultures. Gukbap is so symbolic and explanatory for Korean cultural Jung influences in culinary topics. Although these days capitalistic success in Korean community loosened this feeling, it has remained in the present-day cultures too. Torium, which is serving method to keep soup's hot particular way of serving gukbap, which has its meanings understood as mother's care for serving gukbap. The regional specificity also determined cultural variations in each regions. Jeju Island's specialty mom guk is paradigm case. Mom is mojaban, which is kind of seaweed specialty product in Jeju. It is special because it represents a focus on specialty product used for making foods. Mojaban has pour that contains soup water that choose to be leaked. It has special feeling on taking it. In these days, harvest amount of mojaban in Jeju is becoming exhausted, so is losing special tastes compared to old mom guk. It is still influential in recent days too. In this book, it is also explained how Jeju Island's food making is influenced by climate and landscapes. Good look at the deeper sense of Jeju's culinary cultures. The other stories are also presented in this book, dividing 5 regions in Korea, and very detailed and helpful explanations are provided. The authors are all professional food critics, including present cook and researchers. The quality of explanations is very convincing and informative manner. So I recommend this book if you have university-level vocabulary, which does not make you disappointed, and to understand how Korean gukbap has impact on social, historical and culinary dimensions about it. I recommend it strongly.